few days ago, I put out a warning saying huge danger, bull market update 2024. I put out the update on a lot of coins and I was trying to update you on a lot of coins saying that there was danger coming. And as you can see, we have seen this massive plunge in the market. As you can see, a lot of coins going in the red, and even single digit storms. But what is going to happen next, I would be showing you in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin or BTC. Currently ranked at 41,000. My name is the old conductor, and I would be showing you what is going to happen next with Bitcoin, right? So today we are going to be looking at the update right here from yesterday. Bitcoin is currently having a market cap of $808 billion with a 24-hour volume of about $27 billion, right? Today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Bitcoin. And in the last 1 week, we are down 10.8%. Without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And we have been mentioning right here that Bitcoin was losing the bull market EMA. First, we said prices always move from level to level, level to level, and we said prices usually always respect these levels. As you can see, for instance, we saw a push to the top, right? We were not able to form support above that level, and then we saw a plunge to the downside, right? But we were saying that, as you can see, the price is forming structure below the bull market EMA. Remember when we became massively bullish right there in October of 2023, when we saw price forming price action above the bull market EMA. As you can see right here, we're forming price action above the bull market EMA at around the 26,000. We're saying Bitcoin is massively bullish on the channel, right? And as you can see, we saw this sort of massive push to the upside. The bull market EMA is this black EMA right here, and we said that so far prices continue to form price action above this level, we should expect to see more bullish price action. The moment we saw price action forming price forming the price action below this bull market EMA, we were saying expect a plunge first to this level, first into this $40,623 level, and then second we could see prices ultimately come to this $37,618 level. But we said, mind you, this is not the ending of the bull run. This is just a pullback, as we would see a massive bounce right here at this $37 level, right? And as you can see, we have started that move. Everything happened exactly as predicted. Another reason we were a bit bearish, we said if we just flip to the weekly right here for Bitcoin, you would see that Bitcoin is forming this sort of what I call the shooting star pattern. So the way the shooting star pattern works right here is that we see this uptrend. The moment we see an uptrend, we see the formation of this candlestick pattern, right? The upper shadow with at least big as a real body, so a very small body, and then this long wick to the upside, right? The moment we form this sort of candle, it's usually a very bearish candle, and we immediately see a downtrend afterwards, right? As you can see, shooting star candles are potential downside reversal candles and are most effective when it forms after an uptrend. And we have seen an uptrend right here in Bitcoin on the weekly. Just look at Bitcoin on the weekly. We had a massive uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We were 8 for 8 consecutive week. Massive uptrend. And even when we saw these lower candles, we were still forming higher highs. And at the moment we formed this sort of massive shooting star candle, so you can see shooting star candle, we were saying expect some sort of pullback to minimum around that $37,000 level. That is the minimum we are expecting. Could we go lower? Very possible, but we are expecting minimum to see that push to the downside right there for Bitcoin. So we have been mentioning that. We said that in a whole lot of videos right here on the channel in our last bull market update. we're saying be very careful, and as you can see, everything is playing out directly as predicted. I would be telling you my next levels where we could be buying the dips, but currently this is not a level to begin to buy the dip, as we with high probability would could see this $37,618 level. Another thing I want to show you that the point that Bitcoin might be very bearish is this bearish divergence right here forming on the weekly time frame, right? We rarely see a bearish divergence, and when we see this sort of huge bearish divergence, it basically means that we could see that sort of massive fall right there for Bitcoin, right? They're going to tell you a lot of things in the news saying this was the cause, something happened, something happens, but guys, it's all in the chart, right? It's all in the chart. We have already seen that in the chart. Same thing with the pump. We saw the pump right here on our volume profile. Our volume profile turned bullish right here at around the $19,000 level, and as you can see, since then we were forming huge bullish divergences, continue seeing that massive push to the upside. Same thing currently right here, we are forming huge bearish divergences. The media might tell you something else, it's the ETF, but guys, it's all in the chart. We are forming the shooting star pattern on our volume profile. We are seeing this huge bearish divergence, even going down there to smaller time frames. If we just looked right there to smaller time frames, as you can see, I told you right here that we were forming bearish divergences, as you can see, right, higher highs right here on our volume profile. Currently, we were saying that we needed to see the bulls come in with even more strength, that this looked very weak right here for the bulls, and as you can see, we have seen that massive push to the upside, right? So the minimum we should be expecting, the minimum level we should be expecting right here for Bitcoin to get to right here is the $37,000 level, and that is when we could begin to buy the dip right there for Bitcoin, right? And we said the bull market EMAs are very strong, and the moment we begin to see these EMAs cross the bull market EMA, especially for Bitcoin, that is a very not so good sign. So mind you, we still, prices would be attracted right here to the confirmation EMA, right? This blue EMA is our confirmation EMA. This usually works, guys. We have been correct ever since. We rode to the top right there from the $20,000 level right there into our $49,000 level. We had been calling for the $49,000 level, or for the $48,000 level, for a long time, for a very long time, and currently we are seeing this play out, right? So currently we could see price shift into that $37 level and see another massive push to the upside, right? So that's the update. Do not be deceived. The prices could come to this 37,600 before we see a bounce. If you see any bounce, it's just a fake out. Prices are going to be attracted to our confirmation EMA before we see any bounce in the market, right? So that's the update right here for Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.